Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and share this video, like it. So today we'll be making potato salad. I'll be showing you how I make this delicious potato salad. And of course we need potatoes, and we need carrots, of course, mayonnaise. Mayonnaise will be used for this recipe. You can use mustard if you want, and mayonnaise. Then I use 5 eggs, and these are my spices: paprika, garlic powder, curry, and salt, onions, celery. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and boil our eggs. I usually boil my eggs for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and chop up our potatoes. The potatoes are washed already. You chop them up in cubes. And then I'm chopping my onions as well in really little cubes, tiny cubes. I don't want big chunks in my mouth. And then there you go. That's how our vegetables look like. And eggs are boiled. I have cooled them down with cold water. And then I'm just going ahead and I'm chopping them up. Chop them up in bite sizes, just in little sizes as well. And then we're going to, incorporate all these ingredients together. In a large bowl, pour in your vegetables. For this recipe, I'm doing 2 batches, so I'm mixing them. I don't have a big bowl, so I'm going to be mixing 2 batches. And then your vegetables, your carrot, celery, and onions in a large bowl. And then go ahead and put in your potatoes. And then our eggs will go in next. And then our spices. And then mayonnaise. Then give it a good stir, mix it properly. Guys, like this video, share it, subscribe if you haven't, and I have other videos as well. You can check them out. And there you go, that's your potato salad, looking so yummy and so nice. See you guys in the next video. Bye.